Oh, hi guys. If you see, let me fit this in the video. Okay, like I said, I have a control card, but I'm not cutting out that. I'm not, okay? I'm just opening this and see if this can drive. Let me test it out with this controller. Yeah, I can. Just have to fit in the video. Okay, it can drive. I'm gonna take you for a drive. Okay, take you for a drive. Okay, now you see my almost whole thing. What I did here. Okay, now you almost see my whole house. And this is all about my toys and my family. Okay? And welcome my sister in my video. Yeah, this is my sister. So good. She likes princesses, of course. Every girl likes princesses. Oh my God. Okay. And let's come in my mom. My mom is still working on something. Let me bring you to it. Yeah. It's my mom and my family. My dad is still working. Oh, that's why. Let's check out like the yesterday's toy. Where's the yesterday's toy? One of the yesterday's toy. Oh, there! One of my yesterday's toy. Okay, when I go get the big one, let's leave it here first. Okay. Just to let you know, I'm a candy. Okay, here we start. This is my upstairs. It's getting lighter. And let's go to my room again. Okay, open the lights. Now you see me in the room again, putting it over here. Let's see. Can I put it? Welcome to the YouTube channel. Oh, sister, get out of this one. Okay, sister, can you take my place? It's in my place. Okay, the place is here, and I got my thing. Let's go downstairs now. Yes. Let's just walk downstairs. Walk downstairs quickly. Just have to walk downstairs. Okay. When you're done, let's check out my toys. Yes, I did. Okay, the yesterday's story and yesterday's story. Remember? And this is my second YouTube channel. Okay. Okay, these are cool. Look, there's a button on the back. You press it, and you pop it. Did I show you that yesterday? And there's no button. This is on the back. You press it like a crystal. Then pump it. It stays. But the blue one don't stays. Okay, let's.
So he has this super long.
And this don't stretch that long. And it has
Kind
more.
That is super.
Get out of this one, Minnie. Now you see. And let's just get something. Okay. Let's come. Go. Let's take a dry one.
Well, how many yellows and pinks?
Wait a second, just getting something. And here's my other control card that's red. Let's just do something with it. Charlotte, can you race with me with this?
Yes.
Okay, get this and get the controller. Let's race. Let's bring it over here. It's just here. Put it here. We go race. Okay? Guys, we're gonna race. Okay? No, over here. Like over here.
Oh,
If you win, you get $1 from each other. 3, 2, 1. I won, totally. That's why. That's I got $1. Thank you. Don't drive it. Don't drive it, Mimi. Don't drive it. Okay, yeah. Well, crazy little sister. Okay. Let's go on. What? That's how we get into a boat. Oh, this is so cool. You have to check out this. No, we have to check out this. Literally, look. If I put 2 of them, let's see. Over here.
this one.
No. Over here, and this one over here too. If I use 1 controller, get the controller. Okay, the controller's here. Put it in the back. Okay, look. If you do 2, it did 2. Look, crazy, right, guys? That's crazy, guys.
We stuck in our legs.
No, we're not stuck. We are just stuck in our house, okay? Okay, let's do this. Okay, I will do this. Okay. Let me just put you guys over here and go close the things. We're bending our legs because we like to bend legs.
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah, kind of. Not that really, because we like to crisscross applesauce sometimes. So let's just close these. And can you take my place? Can you sit here and guard my iPad?
We have.
Don't talk.
We have.
Don't talk. My little sister, get out of my video. You have your own video.
I don't have my own video.
Yes, you do. You do.
Okay, fine, I do.
Guys, this guy, this here, likes do this a little bit. Let's just see this and just to introduce my little sister. Did I introduce you? I think no. That's why let's introduce her. She's Charlotte. Yeah, I know it. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Here, and let's put our toys over here with that we did. And this is crunchy and stretchy. Like the other day I told you. Okay, let's
channel.
don't do that, sister. Go out of my channel. Go out of my channel. Shoot. Okay, got it. My little sisters. Ah! Little sister, are we playing anything? What? Actually, it didn't come out. Okay, let's
Of
get.
course, YouTube channel.
Don't do that. Okay, quiet. Let's get the flower away from here because we got the pillow fight. Just saying, this is our new house, and we bought all of this quickly yesterday. Okay, now to be continued. Just kidding, not continued. Let's just finish this up quickly. Okay. Bye. What's hi, bye, hi? Anyways.
Hi, everybody.
Don't you do that. Okay. There's glue on me. It's glue, guys. Okay. I got a feather from a red jay. I can tickle you. Tickle. I'll cover the whole camera. And tickle. You laugh. I win. Story contest. I blinked. I think you win by you. I think you lose or win. I think you win. Yeah. No, don't get in my video. Let's just go. And it's one. Okay, we are just going. This way you see the things we have planned.
Hello.
No, don't get out of this one. Look, the things we do.
You don't like me.
Yes, I like you. Don't do that in my video. Okay, she was just kidding. Okay, well, you see, my little sister, he's working on the painting right now. This is my fireplace, and this is family room. Oh my God.
And my little baby.
Okay, these are my Legos. Okay, let's look at some. These are the babies of hers.
And this Christmas I get.
Yeah, and that big giant. Oh, can I fit that in the video? Yeah. Oh my God. Okay, we can end this video probably, but we just want to show you our whole family.
And we have this in
Okay. And we have a Nintendo Scratch. And let's see. Back. Bye. Love you. Check out all. Almost dropped my iPad. Check out all my videos. If you don't subscribe, I'll put you in jail if you don't subscribe. Okay?